Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Anna Vanila Arts. I am Anna Vanila, and in this video I am trying to explain to you how I've made this headband. How and what is the pattern for this headband. I can tell you this is very simple to make. And if you are a beginner, please know that you are capable to do it. So on my channel I do a lot of crocheting, a lot of knitting, a lot of drawing, knotting, and this is one of them. This is knitting. Sorry. And all you need to know is 2 rows of pattern like this one, and that's how I made it. So the first loop we always knit with a front stitch so that we create a straight edge, so it doesn't curve, it doesn't go goodness knows how, but it stays straight and very subtle, very beautiful. And then we do yarn over the needle, the right needle, and then 2 loops with a front stitch. Yarn over the needle, 2 loops, we knit with a front stitch. Yarn over the needle, 2 loops with a front stitch. Yarn over the needle, 2 loops, we knit with a front stitch. Yarn over the needle, 2 loops with a front stitch, which is simple, very simple to knit. The last loop we knit it also with a front stitch to preserve the straight edging. Now the second row is even more simple than this. So you knit the first loop with a front stitch, and then absolutely everything we knit with a purl stitch. Absolutely everything you see on the needles, you knit it with a purl stitch. And this is the second row of a pattern. It's very easy, it's very clear, it's very open work and breathable in it, and it's good for summertime. As you can see, it's very easy. So what we do on the front, we knit again with yarn over and 2 together, 2 loops together with a front stitch. Yarn over, 2 loops together with a front stitch, and so on. Absolutely repeat the first row and the second row, and that's all you need to know to be able to make this headband easy and quick. And the next row we knit all of the loops with a purl stitch, and this is it. It's as easy as this. this is how I close my loops. I have reached the size I needed this headband to be, the size of my mannequin, the size of my head, and this is how we do it. So we take with a right needle 2 loops and we grab the yarn through these 2 loops. So we put the loop back on again, we take them and then we pass through the yarn and it closes. We put back the yarn, we grab the second and we pass through the loop. Another 2 together and we put back on again. We knit these 2 with a front stitch like so. We put it back on the needle and we grab again. Oops. And make sure it's not too tight and not too loose, but to be a medium kind of edge. And so on. When we get to the last loop, what we do, we cut this yarn to the length we need to sew, to stitch it at the end of the 2 edges together. And through this loop we do like so, and then we just tie it up like that. This is the inside out of this headband, and I would like to show you how I hide the yarn, the thread, so that it does not unravel. So we make a knot, we make a knot like this, pull it slightly, and then we put it through the loops that we see here. And this is it. We cut this off and that's about it. Hello again everyone, and this is the final part of a video where I reveal how the headband in this case looks like finished. As you can see, the edging is brilliantly done. The edging here is straight, it's nice, it doesn't curve, it's straight and easy to do. You just need a front stitch at the beginning and the end of a row, and looks a little bit like squares. If you bear in mind, it looks like squares, this pattern, but it's very lovely. It's very easy to do, easy to make. It's open work pattern. As you can see, it's breathable, it's stunning. The yellow also accentuates this accessory as a summer piece. It's knitted with acrylic yarn, with the needles number 5, and it's fantastic. I just love it. It's transparent, it's breathable. This is how the stitch looks at the back. It's a little bit to the side, but it's how when you knit this pattern it goes to one side. It's a little bit curved, but it doesn't matter. It's a triangular edge here, triangular edge here. Somehow it harmonizes together. And as you can see, I've hidden all the odds and ends here. And the color is a typical summer color, summertime. It reminds me of summertime. It's easy to do this pattern. You have seen it for yourself. It's easy to do, it's beautiful, it's breathable, it's just stunning. I love it. I am in love with it. And let me wear it on the mannequin so that you can actually see how this hat looks like. Not hat, hairband, headband. This is what I meant to say, headband. Excuse my English. So that's how it looks like. It looks nice. It hugs the head nicely, like so. At the back is very neatly done. It's amazing. I just love it. I hope you love it too. Please put likes if you love it, and subscribe to my channel where you will come across even more patterns, more things that I can show you, more things that I know and that I share with you. You'll be able to get hold of it, hold of these videos, and hopefully learn something new with me. Thank you very much for watching and subscribing. This is the headband for today. It's fantastic, it's lovely, it fits nicely around the head, and thank you very much for watching and subscribing, and don't forget that I love you all. So please watch my other videos, and see you soon on my channel, Anna Vanila Arts. I'm Anna Vanila, and hopefully you have gained a little bit more by seeing my videos, and hopefully you can also agree in doing a pattern for yourself from my collection. Obviously on my channel is the only source of information you can get, because my patterns are absolutely unique. And thank you very much for watching my videos and subscribing, and see you in the next video very soon. And take care. Love you all. Bye. Good luck with your knitting. Bye.